guys, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for everyone that's already subscribing. And if you haven't yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Click the little bell button at the bottom of the screen. And yes, if you want to see how I got this colorful look using my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, please keep on watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and prep my eyelids and my eyebrows already off camera, and I'm starting off with this brown shade from the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'll be packing that onto my eyelid and just blending it out for my transition shade. Alright, so because I'm aiming for a bold look, I'll just be packing that color on and just blending it out into my brow bone until I get the desired look. Alright, so going in with this pinkish reddish shade, I'm going to be packing that into my crease and building that up, and I'll also be blending it in with the previous brown shade that I had before. Alright, so going in with this purple shade, I'm just placing that in the outer corner and bottom eyelid and just blending that into the two other colors that we had, and just building it up as usual until we get the perfect color we want, which is bold. Alright, so now I'm just going back and forth in between the maroon pinkish shade that we had and the purple one, just to build back the intensity in the colors that we lost before. Guys, I don't even know what came over me. Like, I was actually just supposed to do a purple smoked out color, I guess, but something told me to try a halo look for the first time ever, which I've never done. But yeah, so just gonna try that. Going in with my Tarte concealer, I'm going to use that to cut out the halo that we're going to create. So I'm just using a little flat brush that I think it might be a Morphe or Sigma brush. I can't remember, but I'll list it down below. I'm just using that to put the concealer and create the halo space, which we're going to fill in very soon. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this blue shade and I'm just packing that on the outer corners and the top of this halo space, and just blending it in with the purple shade in the corners as well. Now I'm just going in with this green eyeshadow and packing that onto my eyelid and just using the flat brush. I think that's the Morphe. I swear guys, I can't remember my brushes at this point. But yeah, you get the point. Alright guys, so I'm just continuing to pack on that green color and going back and forth as well with the blue shade just to intensify it again. And yes guys, just blend, 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 blend. That's all I'm doing at this point. Alright guys, time for some skin now. I'm going in with my Too Faced concealer and just blending that into my pores. Guys, this concealer is so good, and the foundation as well goes so well with it. That's the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Sable. Alright guys, so as usual, I'm going in with my foundation brush just spreading the foundation out, and then I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques sponge just to blend that out and create a flawless base. Guys, I'm in love with this foundation. And then just going in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Mahogany just to highlight my face. I can't speak today, guys. But yeah, I'm just going in again with the brush and my Laura Mercier powder. Just gonna lightly set my under eyes. I just pat that. I don't usually do the whole full bake, but yeah. Alright, so I'm going in with my Becca powder just to contour my face using my Real Techniques Face Expert brush. And I'm just going to use that all around the areas that I need to contour. And then I'll now be going in with my MAC Gold Deposit just to highlight my face. Alright, so now just setting my face with my Urban Decay Slick spray and just adding on some color underneath my lids just to continue off with that halo look. Alright, to prepare my lashes for the falsies, I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex, guys, Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm gonna be using my Holy Grail lashes in Lust. Alright, so just popping on my lashes and adding on some mascara as well just to blend them up. Going in with my MAC lip pencil in Chestnut, I'm just going to line my lips in preparation for my lipstick, which is the Revlon lipstick in the shade Mink. Alright guys, and that's the final look. I'll see you guys in my next video.